Curiosity is a 68-foot serial hybrid electric narrowboat with 3 kilowatts of solar panels on a roof.
Locking lockers?
Locking lockers.
Locking lockers.
That one's locked. This one is not.
Yeah.
Wow.
Another little locker there.
One of the things I most appreciate about this boat is the very neat and clean electrical installation. Although this is a requirement of the recreational craft regulations in the UK, it's surprising just how many boats are launched which are non-compliant.
Storage under in the kickboard.
Nice.
Wine rack.
Yeah. Very nice. Got an oven.
Then we have an oven, a hob, and behind you is a fridge freezer.
Oh, nice net induction hob as well. And we've got.
That he was very much into wanting to cruise, so
right.
I mean, he's got enough power on here for washing machine, tumble dryer, and everything. But they didn't want it. They just want to be.
Right.
And then we move into dinette, so we have a freezer in this cupboard.
Okay. Sliding, yeah.
So we've slid them.
Oh, nice runners on these as well.
So that you don't have that.
Yeah. Do they lock as well, or are they?
No, because they are literally only for playing. So I've left that one in the close position. Then the dinette, obviously the table falls in.
Will go down.
Like they normally do. But this end of the dinette slides in and out.
Yeah. So that one slides out. You get a full-length dinette bed, double bed on where the dinette is, which is really unusual. And I'm just going to test this. Oh, you've raised the floor up so you can actually get your feet on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, and you've got a transverse bed, which is wonderful.
So slides out. Width then does actually hinge up on gas rams, but we'll always have to one side. And then he has.
The skylight in this boat provides a good amount of additional light into the boat, and it features a built-in insect screen and blackout blind, which is especially important if you have a bedroom skylight. This is the only boat with skylights to be seen with this feature.
All the lights are dimmable. Just bow thruster motors are fitted.
But look at the space on the bow.
I know, it's amazing.
You could have a party out here.
And then he has room in that front locker.
I'm trying to think of where the space went. You said it's only 63 feet, right? So, I mean...
And you can sit down too.
Is it on there? 68?
68.
68 feet.
All the specification is on there.
Okay.
Right.
But
I
there's
do
room
the
to
carpentry,
sit.
I'm not really into the electrical. There's all the gubbins for this and the motor, because he can control this from the far end and fold it down when it comes into a turn.
Ah, so it folds down.
Yeah, and there's a little pole so it can slide up as well.
Oh, so it can go up as well,
Yeah,
so we can
and
raise
he can
up.
control that all off remote control.
That is very, very
His
clever.
deck lights. But I'd say he can cruise really without sail. He can cruise for 4 days without having to turn the generator.
Those are mine.
You can see all 18 boats in our Narrowboat Buying Guide, parts 1 and 2 on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.